things he has done. So loved he the world that he gave his only son, that whoever believe in him will not perish. We thank God so much for a day like this. We thank him for the life of our children. From January 2026 to this day, there is no loss.
You live in. That is for your sake. Let's grace prevail. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Feed the basket. 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 Feed. Fill the baskets. Fill your baskets with your harvests. Fill your basket with your harvest. The person with the highest number of balls. The person with the highest number of balls. Bring your harvest this way. Bring your harvest this way. You're going to count with us. Are you ready? So when he raise his hand, you say 1, 2, like that. So raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go to this one. No. Come to this one. That harvest is heavy. Start to this one. 17 right here. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. What's your name? Marvelous has how many? 26. Now let's go to the last one, right? I'm not going to stand close to your thing. Let's go. Drop it on the ground, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 30. And the winner is.
Raise your voice and shout. Come on.
I go narrow, they say I don't know road. Every me mom, nine they move me, they lead me, they go. On God, mine is made up. Of course, no going back. Non-stop, on 240. Then she gone, oh damn me to road. I'm steady, revving, monte throttle. Got eyes on the prize. Papa line, he can't police, snatching from his hand. If I just know why we go back to the moon. That's why I follow.
Decided to follow.
already too late. So it won't make sense. So where am I going to? It's already too late. So I've already come too far. It's already too late. So we won the war. We will spend the billions.
We'll spend the billions.
We will spend for Jesus.
We'll spend for Jesus.
We will shift the culture. We will heal the sick. We will raise the dead. Transform the nation. Till we hear well done. We will burn the world. We will spend the billions. We will spend for Jesus. Till we shift the culture. We will heal the sick. We will raise the dead. Transform the nations. Till we hear well done.
Decided to follow Jesus.
I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. No turning
The clown did very well. The activities were very clean and wonderful. The teachers performed perfectly. And the committee has been so wonderful. All the elders present, your presence has made us worthy. We are happy. Even neighbors around has witnessed that there was appreciation in this place today. And that is a sign of unity. We are grateful. Among all the games that we have played, we have house games that we played, and that is the one we want to give the result. 3 3 houses, winner has emerged. We have the White House, we have the Green House, we have the Blue House. And the winner has a trophy to go home to celebrate. And will be remembered for it until next year when another person, another house will take over the trophy or they retain it. May the name of the living Father be praised forever in Jesus' name. Hello, children, oh yeah. I know they say children again. Children, oh yeah. Those that danced, we have given them 10,000 and we are 3 winners. And they have gone home with that. By Sunday, there will be so many champions, so many winners, with prizes alongside. This is wonderful. But today, among the 3 houses, a trophy has been carried. Guess what? Guess what? Guess who? Guess the house. Amen. We have the trophies on the way. Chickens. We don't need to be waiting. I say case. Winner has a match. Gaze. The ways of God are mysterious, that accomplish His works. His ways no one can determine. Everyone that is here today, as we are calling up the winner of the house, so you too, you are going home with a crown. And that is a crown of victory. Today, Onyeko House has gone home with 2 winners. I think 2,000 went to Oyeko's house. If I'm not mistaken. I didn't ask you to announce. I'm just announcing that 2 winners has already gone to your house. Are you ready? The winner of the house competition today is the Green House. Yes, the Green House members. Come and celebrate. DJ music. DJ music. We are at the Green House. I am not saying Green House. Green House.
Raise your voice and